Next is a vicinity map in a lot plan prepared by a duly licensed geodetic engineer indicating the lots being applied for under technical descriptions, name of owners, lot number, and area. The map shall highlight the specific area applied for conversion if the application covers less than the total lot area. And then a directional sketch map showing the orientation of the subject property in relation to adjoining lands in nearest provincial and/or national and/or feeder roads to facilitate and determine the location of the property for the purpose of ocular inspection. Next is a map of the development plan. For socialized housing projects, blueprint copy of the development plan submitted and certified by the HLURB as basis for its certification that the project conforms with the minimum standards of Batas Pambansa Bilang 220. And then lastly, a topographic map if the subject property is within an upland, hilly, or mountainous area. As a general rule, the applicant should submit the applicable requirements at the time of filing. And for applications involving housing projects, he may defer the submission of the requirements and follow an alternative timetable. The applicant shall post in a conspicuous place within the subject property a public notice contained in a billboard made of strong weather-resistant material such as plywood, galvanized iron, tin, Panaflex, or other similar durable material, measuring 1.22 meters by 2.44 meters or 4 feet by 8 feet. And if the land holding is an area of more than 20 hectares, the applicant shall erect one billboard for every 20 hectares on strategic and visible points in the land holding, preferably along the road. A duly accomplished and notarized application forms and complete documentary requirements shall be filed with the following offices. So, to the Regional Center for Land Use Policy Planning and Implementation, located at the DAR Regional Office, for applications involving lands with an area of less than or equal to 5 hectares or a fraction above 5 hectares. The approving authority shall be the regional director. And then to the Center for Land Use Policy Planning and Implementation, located at DAR Central Office, for applications involving lands with an area larger than 5 hectares. The approving authority shall be the secretary but may be delegated to any undersecretary.